Welcome to IGMS Painters and Interior Designers. Today we're just going to do a quick video on wall touch-ups. So today we're going to be showing you, or I am going to be showing you, a method that we use on minor wall touch-ups, that's repairing paint on the wall, and the method is called spackling. Okay, it's a very quick method, and it's something that's used when you don't want to, when there's a defect on the wall and you don't want to repaint the whole wall. So what this method does is that it actually removes the viewer's eyes from the actual defect on the wall using a paintbrush and the paint in a specific method which I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put the defects on the screen so that you can see, and then I'm going to show you how we use a paintbrush and a bit of paint and use spackling to clear up minor wall stains and defects. So keep watching. It's IGMS Painters. Right, so you want to get your paintbrush, right, and you want to dab it, just the tip in the paint, like so, right, so that it's just on the edges. Then you come to your defect, you take your paintbrush, and basically all you want to do is just dab over it, very lightly. You don't want to carry too much paint in your brush, and you just slightly dab it. Just dab until you cover the actual stain. As you can see on the camera, it's virtually disappearing before your eyes. And it's a good thing if you use the exact same paint that was used on the wall instead of changing the paint. So you just dab it like so, in and around, and make sure it's fully covered. Remember not to use too much paint. And as you can see, virtually the stain or the defect, which one, this was plaster which had been done and hadn't been painted over, and as you can see, it's virtually almost disappeared. So once this dries, it will virtually be invisible. So again, for the next defect, you dab your brush, you go to the next defect, which is over here. It's a dark line, and again you just dab. This one might take a bit more time, but if we just dab, we just continue dabbing. This will take some time, so I'm going to do this separately, but you get the general idea. And I'm just going to show you one more right here. Dab, and we'll go to the sockets where you see the other defects here. So the methodology is the same. You can see the stain. Take your brush and you just dab over it. And continue to dab until it's covered. Remember not to use too much paint. If you need to get some more paint, you can get some more paint, and you just keep dabbing. And as you can see, virtually right before your very eyes, the stain is starting to disappear. If you just brush it in as you normally do when it dries, it is going to leave a very horrible finish, even if it is the same paint color. So you get the general idea. So this methodology is called spackling. You heard it here first. Thanks for watching. We are IGMS Painters.